at the Quincy mine. This is the Keweenaw National Park. It's run by the National Park System. This is an old copper mine, and it's closed for the season, although it will be open for a couple of Halloween tours of the mine. So that's kind of cool. I'll bring you through a tour of the outside. We can't go inside. Like I say, it's closed. Well, that's the steam hoist. That's what would get you into the mine. There'd be a series of cables and such that would pull from that building over there in the background that you see. There's actually like two tours you can take here. There's the above ground tour where they bring you into the hoist house here and they show you the latest way that they work the mine shaft. It's a real interesting tour. And then if I pan around this way, you'll see a tram sitting here, and this actually takes you down the hill and into one of the mines, and that also is a fascinating tour. I've been on it several times. My wife Diane will not come with me though. She does not like the feeling of being underground. Well, here's something for anybody that likes any kind of a train, I guess. These would have been pulling the mining cars full of ore. And I wouldn't be able to begin to tell you about these. But I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that know about them and maybe would appreciate a look. Well, I'm not sure the date on this one here, but one of the wheels here says 1902 on this one. So, looking at the condition, I'm thinking this one's older than this one is. But I'm sure someone out there can probably say when this train would have been at. Well, you can see Buster and I are out on a walk. Hope you liked that this morning, that little trip through Hancock and up to the old Quincy mine. A lot of history on that mine, that's for sure. Anyway, I think we're going to call it a day. We'll catch you again another time. And hey, remember that thumbs up and subscribe if you want to come with us on some more. Come on, let's go, Buster.